Hello and welcome to Train Signal. You're watching Sneak Peek of Veeam Backup 5.0 with SureBackup. In this video, I'll give you a preview of what the next version of Veeam Backup is going to look like. It'll include a new feature called SureBackup, which will automatically go out there and verify that your backups are valid, that you can actually boot these virtual machines, and even allow you to perform application item level recovery within an application like Microsoft Exchange. So with that, let's get started. Alright, so here it is. This is Veeam Backup 5.0, including the SureBackup features. And what I'm going to demonstrate here is that we have an Exchange server that's running as a virtual machine inside the vSphere client here. You see the console, the Exchange System Manager. And then over here inside Veeam Backup, we've got an Exchange Backup job. So what we're going to do is to start that job, to show you that the Exchange server is really backed up. We have a good backup of it. And during that time, we can ping the Exchange server. It never goes down. And that was thanks to Microsoft's Volume Shadow services. And then what happens when the job is complete is that the SureBackup verification automatically starts. You can see here that the Exchange server is powered on. The heartbeat is checked. Veeam Backup even pings the server and makes sure that the server really comes up. You can see that the heartbeat test passed, the ping test passed, the test script passed, and that test script is modifiable by you, the Veeam Backup admin. So SureBackup verifies the backup, makes sure that the system actually boots. Now what I want to do is to go in and remove one of the critical system files. We're going to remove the NT loader file. And you know, of course, that the Windows operating system won't boot without that. So now what we'll do is we'll go in and we'll start the job. This will go in and back up the Exchange virtual machine, the same virtual machine we just backed up and tested. And once the backup's complete here, it'll rerun that test automatically. Again, this is all automatic and part of Veeam Backup. You see the backup result was a success. But what about the test? So now it starts the testing. You can see it powers on the virtual machine. You can see the test started, the heartbeat failed, and the ping failed, and we were unable to run the test script. So, of course, the test was a failure, and that's because the virtual machine could not be booted up. You couldn't boot that virtual machine, and Veeam Backup knows it. It's going to tell you, it's going to send you an email so that you know, hey, this virtual machine really isn't usable. The backup that we took really isn't usable. We can also click there and we can go into the console of the virtual machine that's actually from the backup. This is the backed up virtual machine that we've mounted, and you can see the error for yourself there that the NT loader file is missing. So in summary, here's what SureBackup and Veeam Backup 5.0 does for you. So that's a quick overview of Veeam Backup 5.0 or SureBackup. Stay tuned for videos from Train Signal covering the latest release of Veeam Backup. Thanks for watching.